This is the Conklin Duraflex Elements fountain pen. The pen comes in a cardboard sleeve. It is a limited edition. There's only so many of these made. There's 3 colors. This happens to be the earth, so it has a brown or a gold sleeve. Inside is the traditional Conklin box, blue leatherette with gold embossing on the top with gold stitching on the exterior of the box with a hinge style lid. It has a soft fabric interior with the Conklin logo once again on the underside of the box lid. Included with the pen is information about Conklin, the warranty, the use and care guide, and underneath the false bottom is some standard international ink cartridges, since it is a cartridge converter pen. And then of course we have the Conklin Duraflex Elements fountain pen. This happens to be the earth version, which has these brown and black tones. It does have some clear sections where you can actually see the nib through the cap and the ink level on the inside. It has a black finial on the top with the Conklin logo engraved into the top. It has a black clip and black trim, so there's a black ring here at the bottom of the cap that's engraved with Conklin, and some Durograph on the back with some Conklin moons, and then a small ring here at the bottom. It is a threaded cap that will unscrew, and you can post on the pen. Makes a pretty long pen with the cap posted. Doesn't necessarily need to be posted to use. It's a decent sized pen without that. Normally it comes with a Conklin Duraflex nib. This happens to be just a standard nib. We have other nib sizes available with the pen as well, so you can get either the OmniFlex nib or just a standard nib sizes. This is the black stainless steel with a black feed, and it is a cartridge converter, so that front section unscrews, and included with the pen is an ink converter, so bottle inks is an option with the pen, or the cartridges I showed you earlier. Conklin's just a great brand. They make some good products. Get your Conklin Elements Durograph fountain pen at penchalet.com.